Today is National Super Wings Day, so I'm gonna make some super wings. We live in a world where nobody seems to agree on almost anything, but I think there's one thing just about everybody agrees on. That's chicken wings. And today is National Super Wings Day. So I'm gonna share a recipe with you for what I think is a pretty good chicken recipe. You can either bake them in the oven or you can deep fry them. Let's start with prepping the wings. So here I've got 8 very large chicken wings actually, and you can either cut off the little tippies there, right? Leave them like that, but I wouldn't. I like to cut them in half. Or if you want, you can leave that little tip on, winglet, and do that. Either way. And this, I just freeze in for chicken stock later on. Now notice I'm using one hand only to touch the chicken, and the other hand I'm keeping dry. I'm gonna wash my hand, be right back. Shake it around. Put these in the fridge with nothing on them for at least a half an hour before you go to the next step. Here is the chicken that we put in the fridge earlier, and if you touch it, it's a lot drier than it was. Now, it's not going to be as dry as if you had left it overnight, but it's very important to get the chicken as dry as possible. And here, we've got our batter. You want to shake off all the excess. Maybe let's go for it. See what happens. Now the more you put in here, the cooler the oil is going to be, because this just came out of the fridge. Okay, these are ready to take out. Chicken sauce. Sticky, sweet, and hot. You can put it on a board, you can put it in a bowl, you can put it wherever you like. I'm going to use a board. There you have it.